Hi, I'm Sue Bird, and welcome to Season 3 of Between Two Birds. Welcome to another installment of Between Two Birds. Today's guest, Dr. New York Liberty All-Star Kia Nurse.
Hey!
Welcome to the nest.
Thank you.
So Kia, you turned beaks and made headlines this year when you signed with Brand Jordan. Tell a bird how that went down.
I was sitting in my bedroom and got a phone call, and they said, "You want to go
Michael
to
Jordan?
No, a Nike rap, kind of close. But he said, "You want to go to Jordan?" I said, "Okay," and that was it. That's that easy.
Just that was it?
Yeah,
I gotta keep my ringer on. All right, enough fluff and feathers. I'm not sure Mars ever finished the investigation, so I gotta ask. Is it the shoes?
Is it the shoes? Money's gotta be the shoes. Shoes.
No, it's not. It's the hair.
So it's not the shoes. You think it's the hair. Are you sure it's not Michael's secret stuff?
What?
Your secret stuff.
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
I'll find it for you.
All right, Kia. Before flying off, what do you want your nest to say?
Go Canada.
You must have talked to Jordan on that one.
Yes.
Flying off, this is Sue Bird with Between Two Birds. My guest, Kia Nurse. Dude, the cameras are off. Just tell me the secret. Is it the shoes?